So, if you're actually looking to pass your CKA exams, then I can actually help you achieve that. So, in case you don't know me, I'm the founder of Code Janitor, and I'm also recently CKA certified. So, without further much ado, let's jump into some of the questions that CKA loves to throw at your way. So, one of the questions that I can say for a certain that you are going to see is regarding networking. So a network question that you could see would usually be around this context. So if you practice this very well, then you already have some points already secured. So without further much ado, let's jump straight into solving one of the questions CKA love to throw at that. So one of the questions you get with network is, you are managing a Kubernetes cluster that does not yet have a container network interface configured. The cluster must support a port-to-port communication across nodes, and then the network policy enforcement. You are required to install the CNI of your choice using the provided manifest. They will always throw this word here, of your choice. But keep in mind the requirements. It must have a network policy enforcement. Now, the two network policy that you are going to be given at the exams to install. One option is with fluff.No, and then the another option is with calico. Fluff.No is basically just a simple network that you can install to get a port-to-port communication, and then calico comes with more advanced features where we have network policy enforcement. So you have to keep in mind. So if it was in the exams, and the moment I hear network policy, I won't install fluff.No. I will just go ahead and install calico. So let's go into our environment and practice this. So if you go to Killer Coder and then you go to examples, I believe it's playground instead of examples, playground, and then you will come to CKA. I hope you can see my screen well. Okay, I'll increase the size a bit. Okay, so now let's set up our environment to practice. So we'll go to the prep file. So in case you want the same resource to also practice, then you can also get the same materials from the description, because I made this specifically so that you can practice hands-on and also clear your exams without needing to overstudy. So vim prep.sh, and then you run the command. We save the file and then give it executable permission, prep.sh, and then run the file. So we will set up the environment, we will break the cluster, and then we will fix it again. Once it's doing its work, okay, now it's done. I will clear the screen so you can see. Now the next file I need is the check file. So whenever we finish a task, we need to check it. So vim check.sh, and then I'll paste it here as well. Save the file and then give it executable permission. Check. Good. So now let's solve the question. So basically, if we go to the question again, now it says we need to either install fluff.No or calico. Just keep in mind, whenever you get this network policy, to install the network policy of your choice, please, the of your choice looks very nice, but if you want all the marks, if you install fluff.No, you'll get some marks for it, because in my first attempt I actually took CKA 3 times. I failed my first attempt and I failed my retry, but on my third attempt I decided to make my own questions, and actually I passed successfully. So on the first attempt, or in the second attempt that I did, I just went ahead using fluff.No because that's the network policy I've been used to in my production environment. But it's saying, the question is saying enforce network policy, so we need to go directly with calico. But don't take my word for it. If you don't want, you can just try it out. So let's say cal and then sl, and then let's say if we go get let's start with fluff.No. Let's verify if it has a network policy with it. So cal and then say grep -I and then say network policy. Network policy. Good. You can see we don't have any network policy here. Let's run the same command, cal and then -sl, and then let's do the same for, I'll close this one. Let's do the same for the calico, and then grep -I and then say network policy. Now we can see this one comes with a network policy, so it's best to just install calico and then you are done. So I'll clear the screen and then we install k apply -f, and then let me clear my screen and then let's get the link again. K apply -f, and then you paste the link and then you run it. During the exams, please don't think, if you hear network policy, I would just recommend you to just go ahead and install calico so that you can save time, because going in the exams you need to at least maximize your time. So 6 minutes per question I would recommend would be very good for you, and you can also end up saving some time. So if you know right away, you get a question and then you can see network policy and you just install this one, man, you've just banked in your points, and also you've saved yourself almost 5 minutes. So that will be very good for the tasks that will take longer for you to diagnose. So let's check. Now let's say check, run the check file. And now we can see we have successfully passed this question. So with just few commands, then you'll be able to bank in some points on the network policy. So definitely you are going to get a question on a network policy. So please don't just watch the video, practice along as we are doing this. Practice. That's the only thing that will make the difference for you on the exams day. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm wishing you all the best. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so we can reach more people who also wants to become CKA certified as well. And I will see you in the next one.